There are many great ways to help your diesel engine have a nice long life. Taking care of your diesel engine does not take too much effort, but it does require some attention. Here are 5 tips to keep your diesel engine running smoothly for many years to come.
Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.
Step number 1, change oil when recommended. Diesel engines are completely different than gasoline engines. However, they should be maintained similarly. Regular oil changes are very important. Change your oil as often as your owner's manual says. Having clean oil in your truck will prevent buildup and will help your truck run longer. Step number 2, monitor your gaskets. Since diesel engines are often exposed to extreme working conditions, it's a good idea to keep track of your gaskets and coolant hoses. Check that there are no leaks and that all bolts are properly torqued each time you perform regular maintenance. Step number 3, regularly replace air filters. Air filters need to be changed often. Once they become dirty, the air filter will not provide any benefit. Clean air filters prevent filth from getting into your engine. Preventing dirt buildup promotes a better maintained vehicle that will last much longer. Number 4, avoid idling your truck. Diesel engines are made to work hard when necessary. They are made to rev up and be constantly working. Since they are made this way, when your truck isn't working hard, it is important to realize that you are actually slightly hurting your truck. The only exception is when you are starting your diesel truck. It is important to give the engine time to warm up. Step number 5, be sure to follow your service schedule. Following the service schedule will keep your diesel up and running. This avoids any serious damages to occur to your diesel engine as it gets older. Following your service schedule will also help you catch a serious issue before it becomes a huge problem. The closer you follow your service schedule, the less likely you will have problems with your vehicle. These are 5 great tips that will enhance the life of your diesel truck engine. Remember to check your engine periodically in order to keep it running smoothly.
Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So, if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions, you can call any of our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our additional social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.